Alright, welcome back to episode 2. What I'm going to do now, I just lightly toasted my bread for the turkey club we're going to make. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the aioli right down onto the bread like that. Onto the toast, rather, I should say. Okay. Now, it's sort of like building a sandwich, basically. You want to make it look as appetizing as possible, so we're going to take our turkey, and we're not just going to lay it on there flat. We're going to make ridges on it and make it wavy so that it looks really, really nice. Now, in the interim, prior to beginning this, I was able to put together some bacon. So we have some Italian bacon that's going to go on this, because what's a turkey club without bacon, right? Now, Italian bacon's a little different than regular traditional bacon, but the flavor is fantastic. Okay, got 3 slices of turkey on the bottom. We're going to add lettuce, like so. Add a couple of nice thin slices of tomato. Beautiful. Okay, now, this is what it looks like from the top. Okay, so what we're going to do next, whoops, sorry about the camera. Okay, we're going to take the next slice, and I'm going to add the aioli, like so. Sorry about the bad camera work, and I'm a little bit under weather, as you can tell by my voice. Definitely got a cold. Alright, we're going to lay that right on top, just like a regular sandwich. No difference, right? Now, what I like to do is I like the aioli, so I go right over the top of the next one. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to take the other 3 slices of ham. And again, we're going to go like so. We're going to fold them and make them wavy. We're not just going to lay them in there flat. We're going to make them look as appetizing as possible. Plus it adds a little bit of height to the sandwich, which is always good. Okay. Then you're going to take, we'll try and do this in the right order, your lettuce. Once again, you take the thin slices of tomato, like so. Okay. Then one final hit with the aioli. Now, what I like to do here is a little different. Instead of adding the bacon like I did with the turkey, I put the bacon a little bit up on top so I get a crunch, and the flavor of the bacon sort of sings through the sandwich, which is really, really nice. Whoops. Get up there, you. Oh, you don't want to cooperate. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. All right, now, this is what makes this sandwich unique. Now, you're going to push down like so. Now, I want you to see the top. Here's what you have when the sandwich is finished. Now, how you do this and make it a club like you would get in a restaurant is you need toothpicks. Okay? You want to put one to the left, one to the right. I'm going to try and group these as close as possible. I know the camera is really not good tonight, and I apologize, but this is the key to making a restaurant-style club sandwich. Okay, now you have the 4 toothpicks in place, and what you want to do, let me move these around a little bit, make sure they're right. Okay. It's been a while and I'm not feeling too well, so bear with me here, folks. I wanted to get an episode out to you guys. Okay, now I have to put the camera down for this, but what you do is you use those toothpicks as a guideline. And how you want to do this is you cut along the actual toothpicks themselves. So it's almost like a guideline that you have to follow. Okay. You go across one way, like so. Then you go across the other way. And the toothpicks that are in place will hold the sandwich together, like so. And you have to reposition sometimes. Sometimes you miss, sometimes you hit. Okay. We'll put that on a plate for you. Show you what it looks like. Also, the toothpicks that you want to get are the long ones that have cellophane on them. These are kind of like not exactly what I was hoping for, but it is what it is. So we work with what we have, right, folks? Okay. I'm just setting this up on a plate so you can see what it looks like, the finished product. Give me 1 second here. I gotta reposition this one. Oops, don't fall apart on me. Yeah, cooking is all trial and error, gang. You know, we do our best. Sometimes we succeed unbelievably so, and other times we don't. But it's always about progress, not perfection. Now, to finish this off, I'm going to add just some regular potato chips. It'll be a nice snack. Right in the middle. Make it look nice. Okay. Okay, folks, here's what it looks like when you're finished. Once again, I apologize for the bad camera work, but I'm not feeling too well. And okay, here's what we got. We have a turkey and bacon club with garlic and black pepper aioli. Thanks for joining us on another episode of Culinary Composition with me, your host, Chef JC. We'll see you next time.